Strong partnerships drive strong performance. At BW Converting, we work closely with our customers to deliver complete solutions that perform every day, while also helping build reliable, high-performing manufacturers like rolling tissue. This complete line combines advanced converting and packaging technologies, supported by rolling tissue's highly skilled workforce, whose disciplined practices ensure efficiency, reliability, and consistent product quality.
After working together with BW Converting, I'm very confident to say that our growth at Rolling Tissue has been built on more than just equipment. It's been driven by very strong partnership and trust.
Today, Rolling Tissue stands as a reliable, high-performing manufacturer built through collaboration with partners like BW Converting, who have become more than friends to us.
Long-term partnerships are built on trust, communication, and shared goals.
What really matters is building strong relationships with our customers. It's not just about selling and delivering machines. It's about helping them to choose the best solution, understanding their needs, and being there for them long term.
This is where partnership becomes performance. The complete line at Rolling Tissue brings together BW Converting's most advanced technologies. From converting, where precision and speed set the foundation, through packaging, where every roll is handled with consistency and care, all the way to palletizing, where finished product is prepared for the market with full efficiency. Each stage of the line is engineered to work seamlessly with the next, minimizing downtime, maximizing output, and delivering the kind of reliability that Rolling Tissue's business depend on. This is what a complete solution looks like in action.
Working with PCMC and STAX machines is very straightforward. The systems are user-friendly, and the support we receive from BW Converting is excellent. In Rolling Tissue, we operate 24/7, and for us, the technical service is priceless.
Our goal is to be close to the customer and provide service whenever it is needed. Strong service is a key part of every successful partnership.
This partnership goes beyond daily operations. Events like the showroom highlight collaboration and long-term commitment. Together, we're building solutions that perform today and in the future.